When it comes to smart cooking, I do so much more.
I'm the boss of the kitchen. I've heard it all before.
I'm perfect with toast, I can bake, I can roast. I take the guesswork out of cooking, which annoys us the most. I'll even dehydrate or slow cook with ease. Create dish after dish crowds you will please. With Element IQ system, the ideal heating environment is assured. When it comes to home cooking, I do so much more. My heating is fast and even throughout. Precise temperature control is what I'm about. Be the master of versatility with my preset functions. Perfect results you can trust for snacking or brunches.
What about dinner?
Of course, I've got it covered. I come in all shapes and sizes, from mini to large countertop ovens.
Next you'll tell me you can air fry.
Yes, I can do that too. I'll cook anything smarter than you. See how the Element IQ system in our smart ovens allows you to master every cooking technique. Find the smart oven that's right for you.
The new Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven provides you with a healthier, easy-to-use cooking method that provides great-tasting treats with up to 75% less fat. Traditional deep fryers immerse your foods in oil for extended periods, resulting in oversaturated foods that can be hard to digest. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven uses a combination of hot air, high blower velocity, and 4 upper heating elements to prepare a variety of meals that are both delicious and healthier than traditional frying. Cook fresh veggies with 30% less oil and 60% faster when compared to oven roasting. And air fry your favorite snacks with 75% less oil than pan frying and 90% less oil than traditional deep frying. Preparing crispy buffalo-style chicken wings, hot and salty French fries, or savory pork chops has never been easier. Make any one of the exclusive recipes included in the recipe booklet or create your own delicious dish with less fat. When your recipe calls for a different cooking method, this toaster oven has got you covered. Finish sweet baked goods like cakes and custards as you would in any traditional oven, and crisp frozen pizzas to perfection with maximum efficiency. The convection baking function uses a fan to circulate heated air around food as it cooks and is perfect for baked goods that require even browning, like scones, cookies, pastry, and bread. Prepare meats or top brown casseroles and gratins using the broil or convection broil function. And easily toast your breads, bagels, and hot sandwiches to the shade you prefer using the toast function for a quick and easy meal or snack. When you're finished cooking, cleanup is a breeze as the entire interior surface of the oven is coated in durable non-stick material. Frying your favorite crispy foods with less fat, baking, broiling, and toasting, all brought to your countertop with the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own, featuring 15 different cooking functions, 1,875 watts of power, a spacious interior capacity capable of fitting a large 9x13 baking pan. This toaster oven earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose from any of the traditional cooking functions you might expect to find in a toaster oven, like toast, bagel, and bake. Or select unique functions you won't find on most toaster ovens, like waffle, pizza, sandwich, and leftover. The Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven comes equipped with 2 unique and innovative features: Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook allows you to combine different cooking functions when you need sequenced heating. Bake cheesy nachos for 5 minutes and automatically switch to broil to top brown for an extra crisp. Or prepare fall-off-the-bone ribs by baking them on high heat for 45 minutes and let the dual cook function switch to a lower temperature for hours of slow cooking. Use the speed convection feature when there isn't time to spare. Without a preheat cycle, speed convection gets right to work heating your frozen foods and roasting your vegetables and meats in no time. Try your hand at creating your own artisan-style pizzas by utilizing the included 13-inch authentic ceramic baking stone. Featuring a beautiful brushed stainless steel finish, large viewing window and interior light, door sensor, convenient auto slide-out rack, and an easy clean non-stick interior, it's no wonder discriminating cooks love the Chef's Convection oven. Because monitoring heat is crucial to the cooking process, the oven is equipped with an exact heat sensor that maintains precise oven temperatures at all times. And when you're toasting, you can rely on Cuisinart's always even shade control for consistent results slice after slice. The Chef's Convection oven includes a full pull-out crumb tray, an adjustable 2-hour timer with auto shutoff, 2 cooking racks, 9x13 baking and broiling pans, and a 13-inch pizza stone. If you want the best-in-class features and options that allow you the flexibility and power you need in order to cook your way, then look no further than the Cuisinart's Chef's Convection toaster oven. Meet the most advanced countertop oven on the market today, the Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven. Now, the power of a professional-grade steam oven can fit on your own counter, allowing you to cook like never before. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven combines all of the traditional features of a countertop toaster oven broiler with the powerful combination of steam and convection baking. It also steam broils, super steams, proofs and bakes breads, and keeps foods warm. Plus, it even toasts like a conventional toaster oven broiler. Steam baking allows food to retain more moisture and requires no oil, providing healthier, juicier, and more succulent foods. And with the combination of 120 minutes of uninterrupted steam heat and convection cooking, you can cook foods up to 40% faster than a traditional oven. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven bakes breads, rolls, and homemade pretzels, plus even donuts and pizza dough. And with its specialized proofing technology, you can prepare and bake your breads with artisan results. Use the unique steam bake and steam broil features to cook your favorite dishes while retaining moisture for more flavor and less fat. Choose the steam feature to steam vegetables, fish, and even rice. Or when you reheat leftovers for next day meals, they won't dry out. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven has 9 preset cooking functions, including Convection Bake, Keep Warm, and Super Steam. The generous interior space measures 0.60 cubic feet and can accommodate a whole 4.5-pound chicken or a 12-inch pizza, even though the exterior size is engineered to take up very little counter space. The Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven features a 47-ounce removable water reservoir, generously sized blue display, and comes with a wire rack, baking pan, broiling rack, crumb tray, and drip tray. Use the oven in the summer when you don't want to heat up the entire house with a conventional oven. Or use it to perform perfectly as a second oven while entertaining. Baking, broiling, toasting, and steaming have never been so effortless or more efficient. Get the most out of your countertop space with ease by bringing professional-grade cooking technology to your kitchen today with the Cuisinart Combo Convection Steam Oven.
I'm Brittany, and this is the Oster Convection Oven with Pizza Drawer. I'm going to do some unboxing here to see what this new pizza oven design is all about. So let's get started. You'll notice the oven rack and baking pan are wrapped together. We have an instruction booklet packed in here as well. It's very important to read this before first use to understand how your appliance works and get some helpful tips too. As you can see, it's well packed. I'll just remove the styrofoam and this plastic bag. Very nice. Professional looking. So let's get rid of the tape here and see how it works. Wow, that's really cool. It has a pizza drawer. What a great idea. It's a convenient way to cook pizza, faster than any regular oven. It's a good size too. It could fit a 12-inch pizza. And you can also make bruschetta, appetizers, quesadillas, and much more. This yellow sheet that you see here is a quick start guide that will show you how to use your pizza drawer. Okay, there are 2 crumb trays here to catch residue and drips, and it comes out very easy for cleaning. So now I can insert the oven rack, and I'll just place the baking pan inside the pan. The pan fits on top of the rack or inside the guide rails, to make a broiling pan. Now that's pretty convenient. It's a great size. This top section is perfect for deeper pans. And while you're cooking in the pizza drawer, the top can be used as a plate or food warmer. So let's check out these controls. These knobs make it fast and easy to set your oven. Here are the settings for multiple cooking functions, including pizza, which activates the pizza drawer, and turbo for turbo convection baking technology to cook food faster and brown more evenly. The 60-minute timer has an automatic shutoff that dings to let you know your food is ready. Once you set the timer, the indicator light will turn on to let you know it's working. Oh, the pizza's ready. And that's it. Overall, nice look, cool pizza drawer, and easy to use controls. A great convection oven to leave out on the counter. Visit the Oster.com website for more information.
Today we're gonna make breakfast.
I am going to show you how to make breakfast out of
the Chefman toast air right here.
Guys, are you ready?
We're having French toast sticks for breakfast. It's fast, the results are great, and my family loves it.
This is like the ultimate all-in-one cooking machine. Look at that perfect bacon. I can make every single food that I love.
Banana bread pudding. We're going to bake it for 45 minutes. Use the dual cooking function to finish off the bananas. Oh my God, it's so good. Not soggy. Perfect.
Baked mac and cheese. I'm going to actually broil it and then air fry it. So we're taking the bite. Oh my gosh.
I have to say, there's no oil on these sweet potato fries. No oil. You know when food like talks to you? That's what's just happening right now.
Put the wings in the basket. I'm gonna hit the air fry button and then I'm gonna let them go for 20 minutes. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
The toast air is so easy to clean up. You just wipe it with a sponge. The interior is all non-stick. So easy.
Hi, I'm Philip, and Ninja reached out to me to help introduce you to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. This powerful countertop oven can deliver family-sized meals, fast, without compromising performance. With Ninja's exclusive True Surround Convection, you can cook evenly on 2 levels so that there's no rotating or swapping of pans required. Unlike other countertop ovens, this oven not only has heating elements on the top and bottom, but there's a third zone of heat, hidden around the fan, which helps make the cooking truly surround. It also has up to 10 times the convection power compared to a traditional full-size convection oven. And for you that means faster, crispier, and more even cooking on 2 levels. I love entertaining, and the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven makes cooking so easy for me. I can make appetizers, fit a large protein and vegetables in separate racks for dinner, and make a 2-layer cake, all in the same appliance. And everything comes out cooked evenly. No rotating or swapping of pans, no flipping the food required. I can enjoy hanging out with my friends and guests and don't have to worry about messing with the food while I'm cooking. And check out its versatility. This 10-in-1 oven has me covered no matter what's on the menu. Whole roast, air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, and reheat. Once I choose my function, the digital rack guide shows me the optimal placement for the food. When entertaining, I can choose maximum capacity. Cooking for just me, I can just leave it at 1 level. Pressing the 2-level button changes the digital rack guide to show me the best placement for cooking on both levels. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook up some chicken wings. This particular recipe is for the cilantro lime wings, and you can find the marinade recipe in the inspiration guide that comes with your oven. To start, divide the wings between the air fry basket and the Ninja roasting tray, nested inside the Ninja sheet pan. Make sure that the wings are not crowding each other. We're using both for a few reasons. The air fry basket allows hot air to reach all sides of the food. However, when you cook foods with oil or marinades, like these chicken wings, you'll want to ensure that you have something to catch any oil or juices. This helps avoid anything dripping onto the heating elements, which can sometimes cause smoke. This combination of accessories helps the air circulate around the food. Plus, because we're catching the juice and grease, it makes cleanup much easier. If you only want to make 1 batch of wings, it's best to use the roast tray and sheet pan, since that would catch all of the drippings. Next, remove the top wire rack, as this is where the air fry basket will eventually slide in, and leave the other wire rack in the unit to hold the pan with the roasting tray. The rack guide indicates that for this function, rails on level 2 and 4 will be used. Then, set the temperature to 390 degrees and set the timer for 40 minutes. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven has a 90-second preheat. So rather than waiting 10 to 15 minutes for a typical oven to preheat, you can start cooking in just seconds. Once the unit has finished preheating, the indicator will turn off and the unit will beep. The clock then will immediately start counting down. Place the pan and roast tray on the rack that is on level 2, and then slide in the air fry basket onto rails of level 4. If you miss the super fast preheat, you can easily adjust the time by hitting the plus time button. As a reminder, the magic of this unit is behind its convection power. That means this thing cooks your food fast, and it will likely require you getting used to its speed. I recommend when you're first getting started to check on your food often. You can do so by clicking this light. Once your wings are complete, you'll hear a beep when the timer goes off. Carefully remove the air fry basket and the tray using oven mitts. Thanks to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven, I have plenty of crispy wings to share with my friends. Check out ninjakitchen.com or the Ninja Foodi Family Facebook community for delicious recipe ideas and more.